Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 stands to be the best so far. I just didn't have any concrete value added from inserting the Galaxy Watch 4 into my life. That's not to say it isn't a good product, and I could see others loving it, but that doesn't mean I'd make it a permanent fixture in my life. Some people might really love the biometric fitness data from the Galaxy Watch 4. They might enjoy having their full body composition tracked in all its minutiae and their blood oxygen levels up to the instant. I do a fair bit of fitness coverage here at Mashable, so I was interested in test driving the Galaxy Watch's fitness features. It has the bells and whistles you'd expect. It tracks steps, active minutes, and calorie output. If you've long wanted the experience of closing your rings, the daily badge of honor you earned by completing the basic Apple Watch fitness goals, but wanted an Android option, then you've got what you need. Like any good smart tracker, it registers workouts automatically, which is ideal for someone like me. I run every day, and I can hardly remember to fire up the Nike Run Club app, let alone start a workout on my watch. You can use the watch for a whole host of other health-related initiatives, including sleep tracking, body composition, and stress levels, which feels kind of stressful. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. Looking down at my wrist to see how stressed I was felt kind of dystopian, but if you want to track all your vitals, all the time, well, you're able to do that. You're also able to measure your body composition, track your heart rate, and measure your blood pressure. In that sense, the Galaxy Watch 4 succeeds. It's effectively the first watch that merges Samsung and Google after the two companies merged their respective smartwatch operating systems. I paired the watch with an Android phone and, frankly, could use it for most tasks. I appreciated the Galaxy Watch 4 has a full keyboard to tap out easy texts and a relatively effective dictation option for longer messages. However, if you're an iPhone user who wants a Galaxy Watch 4, then you're out of luck. The device will not pair with an iPhone. The apps on the Galaxy Watch are relatively easy to use and navigate to. Just swipe up and you're taken to a page of apps that you can rearrange however you prefer. The Galaxy Watch 4 is a good smartwatch. I can't think of anything that, during my weeks-long test period, made me think it was a bad product. It delivered on most of what it promised, but I was left wondering what it added to my life. A great piece of tech or any great purchase, like, say, an ice maker, should markedly improve your daily existence. The fitness tracking was good, but I prefer my Fitbit. It made my messages accessible on my wrist, but I don't need that. It looks fine, but I could find a better looking regular watch. I liked Samsung Pay on my wrist, but not enough to cough up a few $100. That is all for now, guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.